Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I will tell you how to copy text from YouTube videos. If you are reading any tutorial and you want to copy text from that tutorial, then follow this video to copy text. So let's start. Open Google Chrome and click on this extensions button. You will see manage extensions option from list. Click on it. Now click on these three lines. Here you will see open Chrome Web Store option. Click on it. On search bar, write Quixi Toolbox. Select this extension Quixi Toolbox Free Text Extractor. Click on Add to Chrome button to install this extension in Chrome. It will take time to install extension, so have patience. The best benefit of this extension is you don't have to register. Let's test this extension on YouTube. Select the language from the list. Like if your video is in Hindi, French and Chinese, then select the language from list according to video. Now click on Select Area button to select the area that you want to copy from YouTube video. See, it is looking like we are taking snapshot in Windows. I am selecting this text from video. After selecting this, it will take some time to process. So finally you can see it copied text from YouTube. Now you can open any text editor like Notepad or Microsoft Word. I am opening Notepad as text editor. Click on Copy Text button and paste the text into Notepad. I am giving you another example by copying another text from the video. Just pause this video and click on extension. Again click on Select an Area button and select the text area from YouTube. So you can see it again copied text from video. Click Copy Text button and open any text editor to paste it. I hope this video will help you to copy text from YouTube video. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.